show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
So Urva, you look stunning in this amazing outfit. आपस की बात है. I am like obsessed with this look.
I think this is my favorite look so
This
far.
is my favorite look as well. The way it turned out to be. I was
Last
always-
वाली का भी हम कुछ नहीं कह सकते, but until now this
but
one is my
इसका
favorite.
ना मैं एक चीज़ बताऊँ आपको, मैं
हाँ.
ये expect नहीं करा था.
Yeah,
But
me neither.
this
But
turned out to be, and makeup.
and how amazing this outfit feels, I can't tell you.
Because
The
it's raw
fabric and the
silk,
cut.
18 grams by
Yeah.
Ikra Furqan.
Yeah,
Stunning
it's
job.
beautiful, beautiful.
Okay, so I have this really cool segment called Would Urva Do It?
Okay.
So let's see if you will do it or not.
ठीक है.
So, would she wear the same outfit twice on the red carpet on purpose?
On the red carpet,
Yeah.
I don't think, but in real life, not twice. I wear the same outfit like a trillion times.
Acha, okay.
To the point where my parents and my in-laws start saying कि अब बेटा ये outfit अब दे दो किसी
अब
को,
change कर दे।
ये किसी को दे दो.
Okay, would she ever launch her own fashion label?
Yeah, I did.
You
We
did. You
Yeah,
XM.
yeah.
But like solo.
I mean, why not?
Maybe.
Never say never.
Huh. Okay, would she style herself for a full film promo tour, no stylist? Like आपकी फिल्म आ रही है और आप पूरे promotional tour पे जा रहे हो और आप अपने आप को स्टाइल करोगे?
Honestly, I'd love to do that. लेकिन
Okay.
इतना ज़्यादा pressure होता है ना
हाँ,
to get
looks देनी है,
every look put
शशके,
together and
yeah.
like I would love to do it like in like casual clothes styled by myself and like
हाँ.
easy breezy. You can
लेकिन
you know
obviously
travel around.
Our work demands to be
Yeah.
on the. Would she walk barefoot at Fashion Week finale if the heels didn't fit?
Absolutely yes.
You would
Yeah,
love to do that.
Yeah, I'll just throw them away at the first chance. Yeah.
Would she post a no makeup, unfiltered selfie on Insta with zero edits? You have actually.
I have many
Yeah?
a times. Yeah.
अभी भी आप लगाती है कभी कभार.
हाँ.
When you just get.
Yeah.
get
Usually
done with-
I'm you know
Yeah.
here and there without makeup.
Makeup.
तो फिर हाँ, if you put a selfie, it's gonna be without makeup.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay. Would she act in a fashion documentary series playing herself? That would be so fun.
Yeah, I'd love to. Why
Let's
not?
do it. Let's do
Yeah,
something together
yeah.
about this. I love. Okay. Would she ever design a bridal look that breaks every tradition? I think you have done that.
Huh. Although not intentionally, but that
it was-
happened.
हाँ.
So
Would she go completely silent on social media for 3 months to disconnect?
I have before. Yeah.
हाँ.
कभी-कभी ऐसा दिल चाहता है तो
और
फिर
दौर भी आ जाते हैं इंसान पे कि वो नहीं करना. दिल भर जाता है, right?
हाँ, आपको ब्रेक चाहिए होती है.
Exactly.
So yeah, that's also a lot of work and like
Social media is tough.
yeah, that's like a part of our jobs
हाँ.
now. So आपको चाहिए होती है कभी-कभी break. हाँ.
सही बात है.
So when you're off work, तो फिर you're off that work as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Would she wear a completely insane look? Think Met Gala level
हाँ.
to the Hum Awards, even if it caused controversy.
No.
I think we have a look that we are going to wear on an award show.
But that's not gonna stir any controversy.
No, but ये controversy part तो हटा देना.
हाँ,
वैसे
हाँ.
कह रहा हूँ कि Met Gala level तो है.
हाँ.
We
Yeah,
are
yeah.
we have something
Yeah.
special for you guys.
Yes, we do.
So Urva, this look so far is my favorite.
Yeah.
Let's dive into the last look. I think उसमें शायद हमारा perception change हो जाए, but I have to mention your makeup looks stunning.
Yeah, I love it. And this overall look put together feels the best also so
है ना?
far. Yeah.
I love the cut also. So I'm super excited to see the last look also. And overall फिर आखिर में बात करेंगे कि कैसे लगी आपको आज की exercise. I think
Yeah, and I know my answer. I think I had a lot of fun.
Yeah.
But okay, let's move on to the
Let's
next
move
look.
on and let's dive into the final look.
Let's go.
The last look is her best friend's wedding. I love the color and I think this color has to be my favorite. It's the color of 2025 for me. We are done with the maroons and the browns. We are now moving towards the warms, the yellows and the mustard, and I think orange and this color has to be my favorite. I think olive undertones and brown skin tones look the best with warms, and Urva has a beautiful complexion, so I think she looks really stunning. We've done the eyes a little bit darker and kept her hair very sleek into a bun. So she looks like a very classy best friend.
In our country, we have amazing artisans and the craftsmanship is outstanding. I think हमें उनको सराहना चाहिए. I can't wait to see the exact final look. बहुत मज़े की लुक आने वाली है इंशाल्लाह, जैसे चारों पहले इतने मज़े की लुक्स आई. So we are gonna smash it out of the park. Let's go guys, I'm super excited for it. Let's go. So guys, this is our 5th look. 4 आपने देख लिए, कितने खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं आप, इसकी बात है. This is our 5th look as she's sitting on the glam chair. This look personally is a very regal, very fine, very old school charm, desi, because she's going for a best friend's wedding. So I wanted to make it a bit more special for her as well. By this outfit is by Hira Hania. और अगर आपको मेरा काम आपने देखा हुआ हो तो मैंने हिरा हानिया के साथ बहुत काम किया है, बिकॉज आई जस्ट लव द वे शी डज ऑल दिस हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी विद दबका, विद रेशम के धागे और बहुत कुछ.
Take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an
Breathtaking. I think it's just wow, honestly. I loved this outfit. This is so regal. Just look at the calm and look at your look. Oh my god, you're looking like vision divine. आपको कैसे लग रहा है वैसे इतना heavy outfit पहन के?
लेकिन अच्छा बहुत लग रहा है.
अच्छा बहुत
Yeah,
लग रहा है.
yeah, it's
बहुत अच्छे
beautiful.
बाद ऐसे जोड़े देखने को मिलते हैं जिसमें हाथ का काम हुआ होता है, you know.
Yeah, it's
I'm
so
saying
like
it's so amazing.
detailed, I
But
would
I
say.
think the look in entirety, you're looking divine, to be very honest. And I'm
I love the look.
I
Yeah.
love how you're looking. Honestly, ट्रेन ऐसी है कि झई जा रही है. So मैं आपको और तंग नहीं करूँगा. Obviously, इस outfit को पहनना ही itself is a task. I don't know how you're gonna survive when you're wearing this on like physical event. But best of luck
Thank
for that.
you.
I hope you like.
I think I'll manage well.
You will. You will slay it as you always do. Urva, thank you so much.
Pleasure.
I hope we, especially me, satisfied what you came for here today.
Absolutely.
With
of course.
5 looks.
Yeah.
And
I
hope
love
you-
the process, and I love how you've put every look together, like the details, the jewelry, the
Yeah.
accessories.
Thank you
so
so
I really
much.
enjoyed the process.
And I really enjoyed always working with you. And when friends and work come together, it's always easy and pleasure.
Yeah.
And as I mentioned before, also in my episode, I'm mentioning again here that she is my favorite muse. So get a life, guys. I'm just being a bit of it's a happy soul right now. So thank you so much. And she is a stunning person. So any parting words for the audiences of Sunday Times as they love you so much?
It's always fun working with Sunday Times, and I look forward to many more, I guess, creative and fun shoots.
Tons of more
Yeah,
ideas
yeah.
coming your way, guys.
This has become like home now.
Yeah. This is very chill. And honestly, working with you has always been very easy for us and very enjoyable moment. Like
Likewise,
enjoyable
I
journey.
love doing this whole thing with
Yeah.
you and Hajra. It's always such a creative and fun process. मुझे बहुत मजा
Thank
आता
you
है
so
भाई.
much. I hope you enjoyed the process. You
Yeah.
look divine in
Thank
every look. And
Thank
which one look was your favorite?
Sure.
I know which
The
one.
people who
but-
made all these clothes are not going to like this one. Yeah, so let's just keep it to ourselves.
But you liked all the looks.
I do,
Yeah.
I do. Like, of course, हर event के लिए